Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how you can easily get your TransUnion credit report for free. Keeping track of your credit report is important for monitoring your financial health and staying on top of any unusual activities. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is visit the official TransUnion website. Once you're on their site, look for the section that allows you to request your free credit report. Next, you'll need to provide some personal information to verify your identity. This typically includes your full name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Make sure to double-check all the information you enter to avoid any errors in the process. TransUnion takes privacy and security seriously, so you can feel confident providing the necessary details. After submitting your information, TransUnion may ask you some additional security questions to further confirm your identity. This step is designed to protect your information and ensure that only you have access to your credit report. Once you've successfully verified your identity, you should be able to view and download your TransUnion credit report for free. Take your time to review the information on your credit report carefully. Look for any discrepancies or unfamiliar entries that could indicate potential fraud or errors. If you notice anything unusual, such as accounts you don't recognize or suspicious activities, it's essential to address them promptly. You can also use your credit report to track your credit score and see how different factors may be affecting it. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily get your TransUnion credit report for free and stay informed about your financial standing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.